Hi, I'm Dave. Well, as you can see by the snow, winter's here, and I've put out the bird feeders. Let me show you some of the visitors we've had. Well, here's a blue jay, very handsome looking bird. We've got a tufted titmouse, a very nervous bird. He won't stay long. Goodbye. Oh, look, it's a downy woodpecker. I don't usually see them at my platform feeder. Usually they like the cylinder feeder, but well, here he is. Oh, and a chickadee, another nervous little bird. Oh, nice little splash of color. This is a house finch. There's lots of finches around. Oh, and then a cardinal. One of the most handsome birds, very striking against the snow, the green of the trees. This is a male cardinal. The males always have more color. Oh, look! Tufted's come to visit. He won't stay long. And another. Oh, looks like a female house finch. And there's the tufted again, catching another one. Oh, and the woodpecker's back. Not sure the cardinal likes it, actually. It's getting a little grumpy there. Wants him out. Well, don't have to tell me twice. Off we go. Oh, there's a female cardinal. No, not quite as red, but still a very striking looking bird. Oh, that's a couple of male house finches. House finches like to flock together. They don't seem to mind each other a whole lot. Although they weren't crazy about that female. I guess as long as she keeps her distance. And that's about it for the bird feeder. So that's who's been visiting my bird feeders. How about yours? Till next time, this is Dave.